Hi and welcome to Death Valley. Right now we're sat on the edge, the rim of Ubehebe volcano. And the thing that struck me when we pulled up to this a little bit earlier, not only the sheer scale of it, but also the fact that it's been here for a couple of thousand years. And at first I thought, that's amazing, it's like a couple of thousand years. And then when I thought about it a little more, I thought the exercise we're about to do has been around for at least 2,500 years, maybe even a little bit longer. And I love the idea that that's been passed down by person to person. More time than this crater has been here. I think there's something magical about that. And I'm going to suggest something a little bit different with this exercise. Sitting down here just now, what struck me was just the amount of different colours. It's very difficult to look ahead and to really focus on one thing because there are so many things. And that's actually a really useful thing from a meditation point of view. If you prefer, of course, you can close your eyes, you can focus on the breath, but you might like to try just keeping your eyes open this time and just maintaining that soft focus on all the different sort of colours ahead of you. So whenever you find yourself sort of moving towards one particular area, you'll see you're on just one colour. At that point, you sort of let go of it and allow the focus to go soft again. And in doing that, that becomes your object of meditation. And it actually can be very relaxing. So don't strain the eyes. As I say, if you prefer, feel free to close them, but maybe just try this as something a little different. Right now though, make sure you've got somewhere comfortable to sit where you're not going to be disturbed. And we're going to set up that focus, that frame for our meditation. So before you do anything else, even just making sure you've got the blues, the whites, the greys of the sky, the blacks, the reds, the browns, the yellows of the mountains in front of us. And coming a little closer into the crater, again, greys, the oranges, the yellows, the whites. So allowing all of those different shapes, colours into that field of vision and just maintaining that very soft focus. Just starting with some big deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And with the in-breath, remember allowing a sense of space, fresh air to enter the body, enter the mind. And with each out-breath, just a sense of letting go. Any busyness in the mind, any tension in the body. And if you prefer to close your eyes, you can do that with the next out-breath. Or you can just stay with that soft focus. Either way, just taking a moment, just check in with the body, just to settle in, feeling that contact, that weight pressing down beneath you. Noticing the different sounds in the space here. Might be the voices in the distance, maybe the gravel underfoot, rustle of the clothes, whatever it is, allowing those things to be part of the exercise. Again, with that soft focus, just staying with the body a little bit longer, just starting to notice how the body feels. any points of tension, any points of comfort. You don't need to scan down through the body, but just getting a general sense of how the body feels. As always, aware of the breath, the movement of the breath. If it's your primary focus, just starting to relax into that rhythm of breathing. If your primary focus is on this view in front of us right now, just letting go of any focus on the breath. And just resting the attention. On that gaze. As always, allow thoughts to come and go the moment you realize you've been distracted. Just coming back to that soft focus. Or if at any stage you find the eyes just slightly starting to strain, now you just gently close them for a few seconds or just blink a few times, just to defocus again. Each time just setting it up so you can take in not only the space in front, to the sides, above, below. Just resting the attention in the shapes and colours within that space. And then just maintaining that soft focus, just allowing the mind to do whatever it wants to do. Maybe it wants to stay And that soft focus maybe disappears into thought. Just letting the mind do whatever it wants to do. And then just gently bringing the attention back to the body again, feeling of contact, back to the sounds, sensations. Here there's the brightness of the sky, the air, it's very cool. And then whenever you're ready, if you haven't done already, opening the eyes if you need to, and just take a moment. So just to refocus, you can just blink the eyes a few times. Have a stretch if you need to. And just take a moment just to enjoy this space. There's an incredible place. And that may have been the very first time that you meditated with your eyes open. If it was, don't be surprised if you got distracted in some way, or if the eyes felt like they were straining a little bit. That's perfectly normal, but you might even like to try. So just once in a while, even if it's just for 10 or 20 seconds in your life, just pause, assuming it's safe to do so, and just kind of take in that space in front of you, that soft focus. And over time, if we repeat that multiple times throughout the day, it can really start to make a big difference. So I'm going to stay here at Ubehebe for just a little bit longer. Feel free to stay and enjoy the view.